What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another TCB vlog, and today it's gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna fix my dirt bike plastics. They're kind of broken, so I'm gonna use some glazing putty and fix it off and then sand it and all that. And then I was gonna plastic dip my emblems, but here, let me show you what I got. So I got some of my materials here that I'm gonna use, but I went to Home Depot and I went to go buy some of the spray paint and plastic dip so I could plastic dip my emblems, and turns out I can't buy it. I forgot I'm not 18, so I guess we'll do that another day. What the hell, that light? Either we'll do it today, I'll tell my dad to come with me to Home Depot and buy that plastic dip and then paint it. I don't have the paint for the plastic, so I'm just gonna fix it for today, sand it, and then another day I'll just paint it. So I got her a little bit cleaned up just for the sake of not getting dirt in my eye and all that stuff. I cleaned it up just a little bit, still dirty. As you can see right there, full of dirt and stuff, tires and all that. So I got her cleaned up just a little bit, and today we're gonna fix this plastic right here. It's so freaking white, you can't even see it. This plastic is cracking off, so I'm gonna fix that today. And I'll change the grips. The grips are broken. No bueno. I got these traditional black ones. I'm trying to go with the blacked out scheme for the dirt bike, so I'm gonna do this right here. I bought that, put it blacked out. I was gonna do black pegs, but it didn't have it at the store, so I'm gonna order them online. And then these handlebars, levers, kind of like bent, so I'm gonna get them blacked out. And yeah, first of all, I'm gonna take off this bolt right here. Take that off. That's this part right here, this cracked part. I've never used this before, so first time using this. Well, we'll learn, you know. A little bit on the cardboard. Yeah, this thing stinks. And once you put it on, just try to smooth it out as much as possible so you won't have to sand later on. Let it dry off for a little bit, get this all cleaned up and stuff, and we're gonna put the grips on it. I'll show you how to put those. For the grips, take them off and get a sandpaper and sand it off nicely smooth. And for this side, this is kind of rubbery, so I don't know, I'll just get a piece of paper, clean it off a little bit. What you're gonna do is now get your grips. One of them is bigger than the other one, so check that. Where's the other grip? One grip is fatter than the other one. The fatter one is the one for the throttle, and the other one is for the clutch. So what you're gonna do is get your hairspray, and just spray it in there. Pick it up. That's so it can slip in. Get your hairspray and just slide in. Oh, this is another one. This is a big one. This one goes over here. I'm not gonna put any glue this time, just because last time I put some glue and it actually did not do anything. So just do that. You can wiggle it around if you want. Get it to the position that you want. They're moving now just because I have the hairspray, but once they dry off inside, it won't move. And get your other grip, just spray it. Alright, so the grips are installed. They're a little bit harder now, but once that hairspray dries off, good to go. See, they don't move that much now. This is almost dry. See, you can even hear it. It's hard. We'll need it just for a little bit more, but in the meantime, I'm gonna give you a quick review or info on the Cobb accessport. Give you a little bit of information on the Cobb accessport, and that I found out. So, first time I installed the Cobb accessport. So the first time I installed the Cobb accessport, I put it on 91. Comes to find out, I went to the gas station and they actually have 93, not 91, so that was wrong. And then I had stage 1, which is no tune, like no mods to the engine basically. But I have an intake, so it's supposed to be stage 1 plus. So I'm gonna show you what setup I got now. Let that load up real quick. So what you do is go back, go to your tune, and then you put the show current map. This is the one I'm running right now. It says stage 1 SF, so that's the SF, that's the intake that I have, the Cobb tuning intake. The 93, that's the octane that I'm using right now. Ever since I changed that, you feel the boost, you feel everything. Like now, my peak boost is 20% boost. So that's good, that's good. See if it comes out here. See, look, 20.3 boost. So that's a quick update that I got for you guys, and next episode I'm gonna plastic dip mostly all my emblems. I kind of don't like the chrome, so I'm gonna take that off. Alright, so that's the update that I got for you guys, and then now I'm just gonna sand it off, finish it off. The plastic right here, I'll show you how to do it. Give it some shape to it. Okay, and finish it off so you can have a nice, smooth surface. Alright guys, so I finished sanding, I put it back, and that's how it looks. There's no crack. All I have to do is paint it. Probably scuff these off. Also, there's little minor scratches. Scuff that off and then paint them. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. Hopefully, you guys enjoy. Please do like, subscribe, and until next time, peace.